You're listening to Ignite Your Success, a podcast that inspires fitness professionals to build a strong business that enables them to serve more people and engineer the lifestyle they desire. It's Brad Shepard here, and together with Jason Ubanowicz, we're best known for running Trainer HQ, a community of passionate and profit-hungry fitness business owners that make a massive difference in others' lives every day. Each episode will unpack for you exactly what's working and deliver best practice strategies so you can confidently grow your business and make a huge impact.
How many people come to us with a business plan?
Oh, it's a very small percentage. It'd be less than 5%.
And if they have, it's something they did when they finished their course because they had to, and it was not relevant anymore. So, again, why? Because there's outdated, convoluted, boring, pointless business plans out there that aren't relevant to maybe the person starting out in business or has a small business. So, again, they don't start it because it doesn't really make any sense. And I'm just some random template I've got off a government website. So, but if you don't have a clear plan in place, and so many times I ask people, what do you want to earn? And they don't even know. So if you don't even know what your objective is financially for 12 months, well, how do you know how to set your charge out rates? How do you know how many sign-ups you need to be, getting each month? How many sessions you need to be conducting and at what rate? It's just, again, it's the hope plan. You're just crossing your fingers and hope it all pans out. And it's not a very good way to run your day-to-day life in general terms of, being stressed and unpredictability and spinning your wheels. It's not a great way to operate out of.
Yeah, and once again, for those of you who are tuning into this, and let's say you're new to the industry or you're within your first 6 months or first 12 months, every year we have plenty of clients come and join us at Trainer HQ who come into the program in some ways with, for want of a better terminology, not massive aspirations to build a huge revenue. More importantly, they see the value in getting themselves educated, see the value in getting themselves skilled up in these areas, and the relief that comes with starting to improve your skill set, number one, starting to set up some of these structures. People get clarity from it instead of just spinning their wheels, unsure about what's ahead. And more importantly, it's like, once I get this stuff set up, suddenly the light bulb moments start coming off. As an end result of that, of course, the money comes in, the new clients flow, the profitability comes. But so for that, if you're sitting there and it's like, you hear figures and numbers, and we've got bucket loads of client case studies and success stories and testimonials. You see some of them are $5,000 a week, $8,000 a week, $10,000 a week. Sometimes it becomes slightly overwhelming for some people at the beginning, going, I'm just trying to get myself to $1,000 a week.
Yeah.
I'm just trying to get myself to $1,200 a week, or figure out how to do that. But trust us when we say that there is a process to go through and a journey then to follow. So if you were just to spend some time setting up this stuff, the back end of this is going to really, like we said, put you in that best position to win.